All right, so our first example with NumPy arrays. Let's say you own a toy store and these are the 4 prices for your toys. And you want to decrease the price of all toys by $2. With NumPy arrays, you can just do -2 on the entire array, and it does that for the entire array. So that's pretty easy. Now, if we were to deal with toy prices as just the list, if we were to set toy prices to the list and then do -2, we would get an error. Unsupported operand type for list and int. These two types do not match. Okay, so then this is where the tedious part of normal lists comes in. We need to do a for loop to loop through every single thing and subtract every single element by 2. This is what NumPy arrays help us avoid. Okay, NumPy intro practice. To declare an array, we do np.array. And to print the dimensionality of the array, we do r.shape. Okay, and time to code. Declare an ND array, which is what we call a NumPy array. And we're going to declare one of length 5. So let's do our example. And that equals np.array, and then we need to pass a list. So with those brackets, we're going to do 9, 8, 0, 5, 4.6. We're going to divide, name NP is not defined. We have not run that cell yet. Import NumPy as NP. All right, and now if we go back, it'll run. Okay, so now we've declared our example, and we want to divide all values by 10. There we go. And notice that it worked because this was a NumPy array and not a list. If this were a list, let's look at it. If this were a list, it wouldn't work. Once again, unsupported operand type, list and int. So we need a NumPy array for this to work. There we go. Now we want to find the sum of all the numbers in this ND array. What we're going to do is sum of Rx. And we get the sum.